Good morning. It's July 1, my first day as a president of Rotary Club of Marikina East. Galing kami sa district service project kahapon sa Tanay. Nakauwi kami ng 5 p.m. Natapos ang project ng 12, pero parang whole day event. Nakauwi kami ng 5 p.m. and after maligo, nahiga, nakatulog. So now is already 1:30 a.m. Dinner muna. Mamaya, pagawa kami ng sandwich ng mga bata ni Lordy and Radiel. Tapos, iikot kami around Marikina. So, yun yung first activity ko for this magical year. We're going to try to spread the magic of Rotary sa mga batang nasa lansangan. So, see you later.
Wow.